Forex trader, so in today's video I'm going to take you to my dashboard, all right, and I will show you how it is when you pass the first phase and the second phase, not how it is, all right, the process that you need to go through to get your funded account, right? Yeah, well put. So I'm going to show you the first phase, second phase being passed, and then we will go through the process that you will need to do, all the steps that you have to take before you get your funded account with FTMO. All right. So without further ado, let's jump right on my dashboard or my monitor. Okay. So guys, let's go. So here we are, and this is my last account, the second phase that I passed. All right. This is the second phase. All right. So it was a 10K account. All right. So here it is. And guys, this should be a form of encouragement to you guys that no matter how down you go, guys, it doesn't mean the end. You guys can see it, right? The moment I got the second phase, everything began to go down. And you know what I was telling myself? I was telling myself that I will pass this account. I will pass this account. I will pass this account. And lo and behold, I did pass the account eventually. So, yes, let's go here. From here, we will go to the, how do they call it? First, it used to be here, the identity, FTMO identity. First, as I was saying, it used to be down here on this left side, but I think it should be here. It should be here. Okay, here it is. So FTMO identity. Then we will go create, verify FTMO identity. And here they will say select type of FTMO identity. As described, you can create your FTMO identity and sign FTMO account agreement as a natural person or legal person. I think the natural person is maybe a single, one person, you know, and the legal identity is an individual person, not a single person. And the legal entity is maybe a company or a self-employed, that type of thing. Okay, so any changes of status has been approved by FTMO. Have been approved by FTMO, and the request sent to support at FTMO.com. At FTMO.com, yeah. Creating multiple FTMO identities is not possible. Okay, right? Yeah, okay with it. So select the type of FTMO identity you wish to create. So an individual, good. This is me. If you're a corporate company, then you have to change it. If you're a self-employed, then you have to choose that one, all right? You have to choose self-employed. Or if you're a company, then you have to go by this. So I'm an individual, so I go with start. Then here it says FTMO verification. You are about to submit sensitive data to FTMO. If you receive this link from a suspicious source, please close this page and notify us immediately. I'll press continue or go to the next step. Let's get you verified. Okay, so first step says provide identity. Second step is phone verification, and provide test service, provide address, and the last one is perform a liveness check. Okay, so for now I will continue on this device. I confirm that I have read the policies and all that. Okay. So if you are outside USA, then you choose that one, all right? Continue. Okay, so here, issuing country identity. Now, so you choose your country. So, document type, passports. So guys, I will continue on my phone, and after I finish, we will get back here. All right. Okay, so guys, we went to do the verification, and once you are verified, this is how it looks like. Okay. So I think at this point you have to press go to next. Okay, please make sure to fill the correct address below as the address of natural person. Fill your residential area that will match the proof of address, bank statement, or utility bill. Okay, so go to the next. This value is correct. This value is correct. Yes, basically they just ask you again if these things are correct, then you select them. Then finish. Congratulations on your past verification. Meanwhile, you can check your FTMO identity page if you have not processed it before. At this point, we will have to wait. I think there is something here. We'll go and check that page and see. There is a contract here that we have to come and sign. So this contract session is only active once you've done your KYC and the FTMO identity, all right? Then you have this page visible, okay? So contracts awaiting your action, okay? So no contract currently available for download. Okay, so I think this is the contract. Okay, this is the verification, order number, platform. Let's see, once you pass a verification and you perform the routine check of your track record, and you perform the routine checks of your track record, you will be able to fill out the contract form. Okay, you will also be able to see the progress of processing of your contract once you complete the forms, and once you complete the forms as well as downloading it. Okay, so let's please fill out the contract forms, read through the contract, preview, and confirm your acceptance so we can finalize the contract and send you your new demo FTMO account. So notice it's a demo account. Even when you are founded, you'll be founded with a demo account. Okay, so I need to proceed with this one. Okay, so I think you're asking me some few questions, so let's proceed with it. It says, congratulations again on passing our evaluation process. You are now just a few steps away from managing an FTMO account. Please complete the forms below and double check that all information is correct. Okay, so select your identity, your FTMO identity. So this one, Okay, go to next step. One thing I want you guys to note is when you are sending them the documents, all right, all the documents have to be digital, okay? It makes it easy for the automatic system to process it, all right? Because I took a picture of one document and it was not well being recognized. Anyway, step 2 says we would love to know you more, all right? Describe your best trade. So guys, you will fill out all these informations that they are asking you. Then we will see what's next. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys later once I'm done with this. Okay, good. Because in the passport picture, too serious. I don't have any requests because my account was a swing account. It says you and sign the contract. Acknowledge for fun. As displayed as so contracts are waiting our approval. Guys, that will be it. All right. So for now, once you complete everything up to this point, then you have to wait for them. Probably they will send an email, or you have to come back and check here within these 4 days max that is given you. All right. So that is it for now, and we will continue later when they send that account. All right. Okay, guys, so it is the same day, all right? And even though you see me with this white top, no, it's the same day. I just went to take a bath, and here we are, okay? So in the same day, FTMO has replied me and given me the funded account, all right? So now I'm going to show you the emails that they sent to me, and right after we see the email, I will take you to the dashboard, and we will see the funded account, all right? Good. So right when I finish the registration, here we are. So they send me this email. Dear Eric, congratulations on successfully passing. Okay, so they told me to do the KYC, okay, verification. All right, so I did it. All right, that is what I did with when I was in the black top. Okay, then here agreements. All right, so when I had to sign, I think this one is for them telling me about their account. All right, so you just have to read it and get what is behind. Okay, FTMO, exactly. So you see FTMO account agreement. All right, good. Here is where they told me that they've sent the credentials of the account. You see, so you can see all of them in the same day. You can see the time. All right, so on the same day they send everything to me. All right, so let's go on FTMO and see the account. All right, so they say that your trading account login credentials can be found directly in your account metrics. Okay, so let's go on FTMO. Here we are on FTMO, and this is the account. All right, this is the previous one that we passed. Okay, and this is the funded account. All right, good. So at this point, I think we'll have to press start FTMO account. And basically, here is it. The account is ready. And yeah, I think So here it is. You see, profit target. There's no profit target. All right. You can make as much money, and with the indicator signal that is up there that I'm streaming on my channel, you can follow it, and it will give you a whole lot of profit. You understand me? As I told you and I showed you in that video, it gave me a risk reward 1:5. I mean, think of it in one trade. All right. So yeah, there's no profit cap. Minimum loss is still there. Sorry, maximum loss is still there, 1000K, and the minimum daily loss is still there, 500K. All right, good. Nothing else to be seen here. Is a fresh account, so I will just have to open my password, and yeah, I'll just have to open my password and connect it to my MetaTrader 5 and start trading. So guys, that is that, and I hope this video did help you. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for your time. I will see you in the next one.